Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fill a Betterment form. To begin, navigate to the Betterment website or open their mobile app. Look for the Sign Up or Get Started button, typically found in the upper right corner, and click it to start. You will then be prompted to enter your email address and create a strong password, which must be at least 8 characters long, for your new account. Next, you will provide your essential personal and contact information. This includes your legal first name, middle initial, last name, and your complete residential address. Remember to also input your phone number and specify how you discovered Betterment. Providing these accurate details is crucial for regulatory compliance and ensures Betterment can communicate with you effectively regarding your account. The next step involves verifying your identity and sharing your financial profile. You will need to provide your social security number, date of birth, and gender for security and legal reasons. Additionally, you'll share information about your employment status, household income, and estimated investable assets. Finally, answer a few regulatory questions to ensure full compliance with financial industry standards. To finalize your account, you will set up security questions to protect your investments. Carefully review and accept Betterment's terms and conditions to complete the setup. The final step is to link your bank account, allowing you to make an initial deposit. You can also set up convenient recurring contributions, a great way to automate your savings and investment growth over time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.